Alright, so this is episode 1 of Back on Track, where I try and get my life back on track because I've been kind of slacking lately. So this kind of gives me the accountability that I need, the accountability that someone might need to get their life back on track. So what this series pretty much is that I'm gonna be documenting the ways I'm gonna be getting back on track with everything. Gonna be back in the gym, gonna be back meditating, reading books. That's a huge part of it, is that I'm gonna be reading books and using the information they have in those books to be able to get back on track and get my life back where I want it. The first book that I'm actually reading is called Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins. This book was written and sold in the 90s, so it is an older book, but the stuff that I've read so far, it is gold. It is a gold mine. I was confused because I was reading it and it's talking about like in the last decade and in the 80s and stuff like that. I was like, wait, what am I reading? But I read some more stuff, and Tony Robbins, if you don't know who he is, where have you been for the last 30 years? But he knows this stuff, he really does. And it says how to take immediate control of your mental, emotional, physical, and financial destiny. So there is gold in this book. There's going to be a lot of gold in this book, and I'm going to be reading other books along with it, and I'll document that. But this is just an intro to getting back on track.